Beach riding can be one of the most exhilarating experiences, but it requires the right kind of e-bike to make the most of the sand and surf. In 2025, there are a host of electric bikes designed specifically to handle the unique challenges of beach terrain. Whether you're looking for comfort, durability, or speed, the right e-bike can transform a leisurely ride by the ocean into an unforgettable adventure. Kicking off our list is the Ariel Rider Grizzly, an adventure-ready e-bike that excels on all types of terrain, including sandy beaches. This dual-motor e-bike offers a thrilling experience for those who want to take their beach riding to the next level. The Grizzly comes with dual 1,000 watts geared hub motors, allowing you to switch between front wheel, rear wheel, or all-wheel drive with the simple press of a button. This versatility is perfect for beach terrain, where shifting between the front and rear motors can help you navigate soft sand or tricky dunes. The Grizzly is powered by a 52-volt, 35-amp-hour battery system, which offers a range of 55 to 110 miles on a single charge. This impressive range ensures you can spend hours exploring the beach from sunrise to sunset without worrying about running out of power. With the bike's full suspension frame, motocross level shocks, and puncture-resistant tires, comfort and durability are never a concern. Whether you're tackling the uneven surface of the beach or riding along the shoreline, the Grizzly delivers a smooth and enjoyable ride. A standout feature of the Grizzly is its industry-leading shocks, providing a plush ride on the most challenging terrains. The optional extension saddle and foot pegs make this a bike that's as suitable for a solo rider as it is for two people, allowing a comfortable experience for both the rider and a companion. Additionally, the Grizzly's bright LED headlight ensures visibility, making it ideal for early morning or late-night beach rides. The bike also features puncture-resistant tires and Tektro-hydraulic disc brakes, which offer exceptional stopping power, even when you're cruising at high speeds along the beach. Next on our list is the MOVCAN V30 Pro Max, a high-performance electric bike that offers impressive power and versatility. Designed with a dual-motor system, the V30 Pro Max boasts peak power of up to 3,000 watts, allowing it to reach top speeds of 37.5 miles per hour. This power is more than enough to tackle the soft sands of the beach and even ascend dunes without breaking a sweat. The bike's unique feature is its ability to switch between dual-motor and single-motor modes, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different terrains. The V30 Pro Max is equipped with a dual battery system that provides a combined range of 70 to 120 miles, depending on whether you're using electric or pedal mode. This extended range is perfect for those who want to explore the beach and nearby trails without constantly needing to recharge. The bike's full suspension system, which includes a 5-stage damping system, significantly improves ride comfort by absorbing bumps and shocks, making it ideal for rough beach terrain. For durability, the MOVCAN V30 Pro Max features 20-inch fat tires, offering excellent anti-puncture protection and ensuring a stable ride on both sand and solid ground. The hydraulic disc brakes further enhance safety by providing reliable stopping power even at high speeds. Whether you're navigating through soft sand or cruising on a gravel path along the shore, this bike is built to provide a smooth, reliable, and comfortable ride. The ANIIOKI A9 Pro Max is another powerhouse on our list, designed for thrill seekers and beach riders who want unmatched speed and off-road capabilities. This bike comes equipped with dual 1,800 watts motors, delivering a peak power of 4,800 watts, allowing you to reach speeds over 45 miles per hour. The A9 Pro Max is engineered to handle tough terrains with ease, including sandy beaches, gravel roads, and steep slopes. With dual 52-volt controllers, the bike provides smooth power delivery, giving you confidence when riding in challenging conditions. One of the most impressive features of the ANIIOKI A9 Pro Max is its long-range capability. Thanks to its 52-volt 60-amp-hour lithium battery, you can travel up to 100 to 200 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and usage. This makes it one of the best options for long beach rides or extended adventures along the coastline. The A9 Pro Max also features a precision hydraulic disc brake system, ensuring maximum control and stopping power at high speeds, which is especially important when riding on sand or uneven surfaces. For added comfort, the A9 Pro Max features a dual air suspension fork, which absorbs shocks and bumps to provide a smoother ride. The bike is equipped with large 26 by 4.8-inch fat tires, perfect for gliding over sand without getting bogged down. The combination of power, range, and suspension makes the ANIIOKI A9 Pro Max a top contender for anyone looking to conquer the beach with speed and control. If you're looking for a bike that combines power, portability, and comfort, the TT-EBIKE dual-motor folding electric bike is a fantastic choice for beach riding. With a peak power of 4,350 watts, this bike is capable of reaching top speeds of 40 miles per hour, making it ideal for tackling beach terrain and cruising along the coastline. The bike's dual-motor system allows for optimal acceleration and torque, which is perfect for sandy beaches or steep inclines. The TT-EBIKE is equipped with a 52-volt 28-amp-hour battery, offering a range of 26 to 70 miles on a full charge, depending on the mode and terrain. This extended range ensures that you can ride for long periods without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the bike's 26-inch wheels and 4-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability on sand and other uneven surfaces, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. For added comfort, the TT-EBIKE features dual front suspension and rear shocks, which absorb impact from bumpy terrain and reduce strain on your body. The folding design of the bike makes it easy to transport and store, which is particularly useful for beachgoers who need to pack up and move quickly. With responsive disc brakes and a bright 600-lumen LED light, this bike is designed for safety and convenience, whether you're riding on sandy beaches or city streets. Topping our list is the E-Cells AWD Kings Crown, a high-performance electric bike designed for those who want to conquer the toughest terrains, including beach riding. Powered by dual 1,000 watts Bafang motors and a combined torque of 170 Newton-meters, the Kings Crown delivers exceptional power and stability, making it the perfect choice for off-road adventures. Whether you're riding on soft sand, rocky paths, or rugged beach terrain, the Kings Crown can handle it all with ease. Equipped with a 52-volt dual battery system, the Kings Crown offers continuous power for extended rides, ensuring that you can go for miles without worrying about battery life. With a full suspension system and 26 by 4.8-inch fat tires, this bike provides a smooth and comfortable ride on even the roughest of terrains. The fat tires are particularly effective on sand, allowing you to glide effortlessly along the beach while maintaining control. The Kings Crown also features hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring responsive and reliable stopping power, even when riding at high speeds or on steep hills. For those who enjoy night rides, the bike's powerful LED lights ensure visibility and safety. The combination of power, range, and comfort makes the E-Cells AWD Kings Crown the ultimate electric bike for beach riders in 2025. Which beach cruiser electric bike is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the best electric bikes for every adventure.